have here. Kasi hindi mo na lang siya makita sa PBB Gen 11, pero may bagong teleserye na si Rain. Diba?
For real.
Ano pangalan ulit ng bagong
I
teleserye?
think parang Love at First
Love
Sight.
at First Sight! I want TMC! Manood po kayo!
Diba kasama ka
Sabi mo,
doon?
Yeah! Kasama ko doon! Kasama ko doon!
Ikaw yung lead, Bill?
Ay, oh my God!
AC.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy. You know, ano mo, sila naiingit talaga sa atin. Kasi masyado tayong masaya eh. Madami tayong energy, madami tayong project. And I'm just so happy, diba? It's just so great to be here.
Yeah,
Diba?
thank you, Lord, diba?
Thank you, Lord. I love the Lord. Valentine's Day, diba?
I love
Lahat.
Valentine's Day. I
I
know.
know, same. It's just a loving type of day. I love you too. I love you too, Ray. I love you
Nag-promo
too.
na sila. Anong gagawin natin, AC? Mag-isa lang tayo. I mean, wala tayong ipa-promo eh.
Bakit? I work as a host tayo.
Tama! Ay, nakasap every Sunday! Pero siyempre, Ray, busy pa sila. Bumati ka muna sa ating online squadmates, Ray.
Hello, online squad mates! Let's go! I'm so happy na makakasama sa... I'm so happy I'm gonna be part of the Valentine episode ng I Want ASAP today.
Yes, sakto-sakto. Nandito ka, Valentine's Day. Alam mo na yung question sa'yo.
Ang question sa'yo, Rain,
Yeah, go.
how do you describe your love status right now in your life?
Let's get this over with.
Let's get it over with!
Para tapos na.
Single!
Oh!
Equal.
Single.
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 Spelling.
Spell single.
S-I-N-G-O-L.
Ayan!
Single!
Wala mo ng G.
Self-love. Self-love. I promote self-love.
Oh,
Yes.
tama.
Emilio, ikaw.
Ako, single din, pero trabaho lang talaga. Nakafocus tayo sa trabaho.
Sa'yo single, sa'yo single eh.
I love my work.
Single.
Single.
Single akin.
Kasi trabaho talaga yung,
Yes.
ano natin, this 2025. Ang dami natin gagawin, no, Rin? Ang dami natin gagawin. So,
Yeah.
trabaho lang tayo.
Alam
Ikaw,
mo,
AC!
Kaya ko naman.
AC, ikaw!
Kaya ko naman
ikaw!
mag-volleyball eh.
Kaya mo naman din.
Oo.
Actually, kaya ko rin nag-varsity din ako eh.
Ayan!
Oo.
Ayaw na nila. Ayaw na nila.
Kaya nga. Pero
Ayun na.
I describe, anong description mo? Single.
Single.
What's yours?
Single, para may iba.
single?
Para may ibang bawal yung
Single.
ginagamit.
Ano? Single.
Oh.
Ba't ikaw?
Ikaw.
Single. Single. Okay na? Okay na tayo? Let's go, wait. Kayo, sagutin nyo naman po. Kayo ba? Kamusta love life nyo? Sana
Oo.
okay ba kayo? If you're going through something right now, use this day to put love into yourself.
Kasi syempre, binanggit mo kanina, no? Valentine's Day is not just for people in a relationship. It's also for people
Everyone.
that have families that they love, that people that love to love themselves as well. It's like showing self-love.
Kasi your
Basta-
Valentine's Day doesn't have to be naman your significant other or partner. It can be your
Yes.
mom, it can be your
Yes.
brother, it can be your
Basta
sister.
it's a day of love.
Yeah,
Even for your
exactly.
dog.
Yes, tama. Your hamster.
Yeah, your
syempre-
cat.
Huli na,
Your